Have you ever stumbled upon a neon bank account offer that seemed too good to be true? A sky-high interest rate, minimal fees, and promises of financial freedom? Before you dive headfirst into a digital bank that might be as real as a unicorn, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you know if a neon bank account is legit? Let's face it, the digital age has turned financial services into a jungle. There are real, reputable banks offering innovative solutions, and then there are the ones that might as well be selling snake oil. So, how do you separate the wheat from the chaff? First things first, is Neon even a real bank? A quick Google search might leave you scratching your head. There's a good chance you'll find a mix of information, from rave reviews to cautionary tales. So, what's the deal? While there are legitimate digital banks operating under the Neon name in different parts of the world, it's crucial to verify that you're dealing with the right one. Look for official websites, social media profiles, and physical addresses. If something feels off, trust your gut. Check the regulatory status. Legitimate banks are regulated by financial authorities. This is like a badge of honor, proving they adhere to specific standards and consumer protection laws. Look for references to regulatory bodies on the bank's website. If they claim to be regulated but you can't find any information, it's a red flag. Security is paramount. Your money is hard-earned, and you want to keep it safe. A real bank will prioritize security. Look for features like encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud protection. If a bank seems careless about your data, it's a major red flag. Customer reviews. The internet is a goldmine of information. Look for reviews from real people who have used the bank. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback. If there are numerous complaints about missing funds, poor customer service, or technical issues, it's time to reconsider. Transparency is key. A legitimate bank will be transparent about its fees, interest rates, and terms and conditions. If you can't find clear information about these crucial details, it's a suspicious sign. Beware of phishing scams. Cybercriminals are masters of deception. They often create fake bank websites to steal your personal information. Always double-check the URL before entering any sensitive data. Look for HTTPS at the beginning of the website address, indicating a secure connection. Don't be fooled by fancy promises. If a bank promises unrealistically high returns or guarantees with no risk, it's probably too good to be true. Legitimate banks are subject to market fluctuations and cannot control every aspect of your investments. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't let greed or desperation cloud your judgment. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Do your homework. Before opening an account with any new bank, do your research. Compare different options, read reviews, and ask questions. Your financial well-being is worth the extra effort. Additional tips. Consider using a bank with a physical branch, even if you primarily bank online. This provides a safety net. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Regularly monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.